of personal and professional life to increase fair market value.
Honorable Chief Speaker, invited guests, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good evening to all of you. There is a saying, if you do what you are doing all along in your life, you will get the same what you are getting always. So to change the result, you have to change the action. That action could be thought process, that action could be perception, that action could be anything. It applies to me, it applies to you, it applies to everybody. You know, when I have entered into the academic for the last 4 years, few things stuck to my mind. And especially people of Orissa are not aware of the fact. Probably that could be one of the reasons why we lag behind. We have enormous time with us. We can prove our worth or we can prove our mettle within no time. But one factor that really rests with us and for which we are never ever excel in our lifetime. I can give you a lot of examples in a span of just 10 or 15 minutes of time. But before that, or before I get into my deliberation, let me sum up my corporate experience of 23 years in a nutshell in context to soft skill, what you perceive in your mind at this moment of time. Majority of the students, especially to the youngster I'm addressing, they must be thinking, if I say computer, immediately stuck to your mind, I mean some kind of things. As Professor Kerr, Dr. Alam said, soft skill. You know, still at this age when I'm asking some individual, what do you mean by soft skill? They get themselves confused. So to define you in a very lucid or simple manner, I believe I have a little kind of expertise which I can be able to transform you in just 2 seconds. Hope this kind of thought will embed in your mind days to come, years to come. I have already given demo to the youngsters who have been enrolled to the Adarsh Foundations. But still, many of us not aware of the fact that what you mean by soft skill or a people skill or a social skill. To make you understand, today, just I show you a password. Try to understand. This is nothing. This is just a password. Thousands and lakhs of students across the country, paying some amount of heavy bucks, they get this. But holding this, can you just tell me, can a person reach to the desired destination? Yes or no? Of course no. For me, getting a certificate in today's 21st century digital life, it's just a password. You talk about BTech, you talk about MBBS, you talk about any professional degrees, where students pay 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, even one of my students is standing outside there, Umesh. He knows better than the things. He pays 3 lakhs for a couple of years. And they spend 2 years of time down the line. But as a professional, I asked them a couple of minutes in just few seconds. Either I pick them or kick them. They spend 2 years of time down the line understanding only the hard skill and hard skill. Majority of the corporates or any of the society, they never ask where will you have been passed. Before you produce your certificate, he asks few questions to your mind. You get confused, put yourself into a dilemma, and say yes, I'm been off. So for me, hard skill is just producing a certificate. If you have a 1500 rupees, spend 2 months of time, wait for the policy, then you'll get this. Same is the case applies to all the youngsters, not in Orissa, across the country. They are just holding this. Tell me, how many of them holding this, they get good employment? As Engineer Kerr said, we know a lot of IITs, IIM guys, they are having this kind of potential within themselves, but they cannot be able to prove their mettle by holding this. So, what I mean to say is, by holding this, you cannot reach your desired destinations by simply holding this. You need a visa. So what comes to your mind if I say visa? Visa to me is a permission to enter any country. Why am I going to select you? So not many things come to the mind, we get confused, so we will be able to perform the way we supposed to perform much earlier. So this is the drive from A Foundation, that's other foundations, has been taken place on the recent just 15-20 days before. And we thought of, why not to inject this kind of thoughts, noble thoughts, right from the schooling days to all the students, especially those who will be asset for the parents, for the community, for the society, as a whole for the country. So if they do understand the things in and out with in-depth analysis, then probably you could able to access along with the hard skill which you are carrying within yourself. So it's my humble request and appeal to all the youngsters, take your mind, not only the hard skill, along with the soft skill. So if you are taking to get success in your life, so you need to have the visa or the passport, which is a must to all of you. Without this, you can't able to go for any of the interview. It is a must. But don't forget, don't miss for the visa, which is supposed to get. So please, it's my very request to all the youngsters, those who are really being kind enough to come for the demo classes, and so they were really been thrilled to find the kind of demo classes we have been extended to for a couple of hours, and they find great benefit to them. So I request to all the youngsters, and during this last 1 month of time, especially myself, Professor, Engineer, Kursar, Alam sir, Dr. Alam, when we discuss this kind of things, we are getting connected with the knowledge workers. We just want to impart the knowledge only. We are just connecting to the 40-50 people across the state right at this moment, so that as a corporate social responsibility, they could able to extend a couple of hours or 3 hours per week to the different part of the semi-level or urban level, so that the whole thing gets into this. This idea of soft skill only stuck to my mind when somebody talks about yoga, somebody talks about asana, somebody talks of so many things. It's absolutely fine. I don't deny to the fact. But the fact remains, if your health is good, but if your attitude is not good, if your personality is not good, if your communication is not good, if your etiquette is not good, if your time management is not good, if your interpersonal skill is not good, then probably days to come, it is too tough for you to get the success in life. Now, I like to show